I'm in Malpas in Newport today, and let's talk about solar panel and extra care schemes. So what Linc Cymru, part of the Pobl Group, have done here is put something called SolShare. It's an Australian product by Allume Energy. And effectively what they do is solar panels on the roof. But instead of everyone having individual solar panels, it's a group thing. And it comes down into a magic box called SolShare, and it spreads the electricity out equally or fairly to different flats. So that everyone benefits. It doesn't matter if you're on the wrong side or the best side, you all get the solar benefit. And this is not a new product. We've seen it in Whitchurch in Cardiff, in Penarth, in Barry, there's a number of places, and it's here now in Newport. And it's good to see, it's been in for a couple of weeks now, or a couple of months, and you can see the residents already noticing their bills coming down. It also powers a lot of the communal electricity as well, which is part of service charges. So suddenly they're seeing their service charges coming down as well. Really nice product, really good to see, perfect for something like this in a communal living care scheme, older people scheme. So yeah, lovely to see, lovely to talk to the residents today. And I hope to see more of these across Wales.